In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms for managing your tasks and taking notes efficiently. Google Forms is a highly versatile tool that you can use beyond creating surveys. Let's explore how it can help us organize our tasks and notes more effectively. First, open your internet browser and head over to Google Search. We're going to look up some resources to make sure we're using Google Forms to its full potential. In the search bar, type in "How to use Google Forms for tasks and notes." Press enter and you'll be greeted with a list of results. Scanning through these results will give you a wealth of information and tutorials at your fingertips, ranging from basic introductions to advanced techniques. Feel free to click on the links that seem most relevant or interesting to you. Next, it's time to dive into Google Forms itself. Navigate to the Google Workspace, where you'll find an option to create a new form. For those not familiar with it, the tool gives you a blank canvas that's intuitive and easy to use. You can start by giving your form a title, perhaps tasks and notes, to keep it organized. This title will help distinguish it from any other forms you create in the future. Once you've named your form, you can begin adding sections tailored for task management and note-taking. Think about what categories are important for your work or study processes. Common sections might include to-do list, meeting notes, or upcoming deadlines. Each section should have specific fields where you can input details like task descriptions, due dates, and additional notes. Google Forms' handy feature, drop-down menus, can be a real lifesaver. It allows you to create predefined options for recurring tasks or notes. Simply select Add a question, choose the drop-down option, and list out your choices. This could include items like priority, with options ranging from high to low, or status, such as not started, in progress, and completed. To enhance the utility of your form, consider integrating it with Google Sheets. After setting up your form fields, click on the Responses tab and then the green Sheets icon. This creates a direct link to a spreadsheet where all your entered data will be automatically organized. It's a great way to keep a bird's-eye view of everything in one place, while also taking advantage of Sheets' powerful organization capabilities, such as filtering and sorting. Lastly, don't forget to explore additional settings. For example, under Settings, check out the Presentation section to customize how your form is displayed. You can also set up email notifications for new responses, ensuring you are always updated. Remember, the more you tailor the forms to your specific needs, the more efficient and helpful they will become. I hope you find these tips useful as you embark on mastering Google Forms for your daily task and note management. Happy organizing!